Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video. I am bringing you a first of its kind on my channel, a come shopping with me video. So I went into Zara on Tottenham Court Road and I picked up a few items from the sale and also just from their new in collection. So I wanted to film one of these videos just because I work really near this branch and I always feel like they've got a really decent amount of stock in. So I thought I'd take you into the store with me, show you how I go about picking out items to try on, how I style them up, how I pair things together just to get really reusable items and lots of different outfits out of those items. So if you like the sound of that and you want to see what I picked up, what I tried on, and you want to see a bit of the store, then please keep watching. But one thing I'm going to ask you to do before you watch the video is subscribe and come and follow me on my socials, and I will have put them across the screen just there. So for this trip I went to the Zara on Tottenham Court Road, and this is my local branch work wise, and I feel like they've got a really good selection of stock in here. Some stuff that I'd seen online in the sale that they still had in store, so I thought that this would be the best place to start. I actually got told off for filming in this store by the security guard, but as you can see I tried not to get anybody's face in these clips. So this video was filmed over two separate visits. In this first visit I kind of focused more on knits, blazers, coats and these gorgeous leather pants that I fell in love with. So lots of roll necks and lots of jackets and blazers. So let's start with this cream coat, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's got these black buttons, so it's like cream on black, a look I enjoy. So I kind of followed through with the top that I was already wearing during the day and the black leather pants and my black boots. I absolutely would do an all black look with this, but I'd also do like a white shirt and black leather trousers with this as well. The coat was really nice and tailored. Then I picked up this simple v-neck black jumper, but with a twist. It's got these lovely pearls on the sleeves that kind of bring it up a notch and just turn a boring outfit into something a bit jazzy. And if you want to hide that, you can with a blazer. So I picked up this Balmain style blazer with these gold buttons. Love the tailoring on this and the cut and the check print on it. It's just to die for. Really enjoyed wearing this. But I would size down in this because I tried this on in a small. I think I needed an extra small for it to look really Balmain. Then I picked up this camel coloured turtleneck jumper, really nice, got some slits down the side and perfect for layering with a blazer just over the shoulders to sort of look like you made an effort, but you didn't really, you just kind of threw on a few bits and went with it. So this lovely blazer, very thin, very lightweight, worked quite well for that. Then I sort of tried on this cropped, you can't see it's cropped because I've tucked it into my skirt, but it's like a cropped turtleneck jumper. I wouldn't style it with this skirt. I'd definitely style it with something black down the bottom, but I quite like the fit of this and it makes my boobs look bigger than they are, so I'm a fan. So this is the stuff I picked up on the second visit. Definitely more casual vibes. Picked up those ankle boots as well because I was in trainers during the day. But you're going to see me try some things that I wouldn't normally wear. Namely these leather trousers, this waistcoat and these pants with this print that I am just obsessing over. I just don't know where I'd wear something like this, but it caught my eye, so I was like, heck, I'm going to give it a go. I picked up the leather trousers again because you'll see that I kept those. So yeah, so this jumper, it's a v-neck jumper, but it's a bodysuit as well, so it makes it really easy to tuck into trousers. These are the pants on. As you can see, they're kind of bunching up in the front there. They look great on my butt, but in the front they kind of do this really weird like sagging thing that makes me look like I'm carrying something down there. So for that reason I couldn't keep them, which was a shame because I really love the print on these. These would have been great on a holiday actually. I'm going to Morocco, but I feel like they would have been perfect. So yeah, we didn't keep those, but this outfit we loved. The white shirt on the beige, these are like leather look joggers almost. I don't normally do the joggers thing, but if anyone's gonna make me want to do it, it's Zara. They felt so soft, so buttery smooth. I don't know how you'd clean them, I'll be honest, but they look amazing on. Then I switched it up totally, kept the shirt on, and then popped the waistcoat on with those leather pants and the ankle boots. Now, it doesn't work so much open because this belt is so structured and so stiff, it just kind of sticks out. So I feel like you'd have to get rid of it if you wanted to do the waistcoat. So in the next look, you're going to kind of see me tie the waistcoat up and do it that way, which I think is the whole beauty of this waistcoat. It's meant to cinch you in at the waist, it's meant to make you look a little bit smarter, but at the same time, if you pair it with something like these trousers, and you could even do this with like trainers, to be honest, it just really dresses it up. Then I threw the black coat over it and it just took it to the next level. This look with maybe some strappy black sandals instead screams Fashion Week to me. It's very androgynous, very Addams Family. I am here for it. This look was really just to kind of show you guys the versatility of the shirt, which I loved, and just see the beauty of it tucked into these leather pants. This is a look I am certainly here for. And then I started with my trainers just for some variety. This turtleneck was sleeveless. It was a lovely colour, but it wasn't for me, to be honest. The arms were too out. Without this coat over it, I just don't think that it's something that I would wear loads. So that was a no, sadly, from me. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show it to you guys with the full outfit, so you could get a good feel for it. But this coat made several outfits, so it's something that I might go back for. So I hope you guys enjoyed that style of video. It is slightly different for me. I have vlogged probably going shopping before, but never in that way. So, and also normally I would never like vlog for that long in a store. I actually got told off a little bit for filming in the beginning, and the security guard said it was mostly just because other people weren't consenting to sort of being in the video. So I tried not to capture any clips of people in them, but once in the changing room, then I can kind of show you exactly what I picked up. So if you like this style of video, then do give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will do more of them. Yeah, that is all for the vlog portion of the video. I want to show you guys what I picked up just so you can see which items I felt like were gonna get the most wear, and I was gonna, you know, really be able to style up with everything that I already have, because I'm all about being cost effective and sustainable, seeing as that's the buzzword at the moment. So the first item that I decided was a keeper was this white shirt. You would have seen it in a few of the clips from my second trip. I tried it on in a medium, sorry, no, I tried it on in a small, but I picked up in an extra small just because this one was fresh, and I just thought it would be a little bit more fitted. I can still do the like sort of baggy underdressed type look with it, but it's just a bit more form-fitting, which is kind of more my style. So it was $29.99. Oh, by the way, all of the items that I tried on will be linked in the description box below, if I can find them still. So yeah, I really love this. I actually don't have a white shirt in my wardrobe at present. I kind of got rid of any of the ones that I was hoarding before, just because they kind of lost their colour and lost their vibrance. But this is sort of an off-white, so I feel like it will do quite well here. So yeah, really love that. The next item I got, I actually tried on in the beige colour in my first trip, and it's this turtleneck. It is a turtleneck, is it? I'm kind of not sure whether it's turtleneck or polo neck. I feel like in the States you guys use turtleneck where we use polo neck. However, I sort of see a polo neck as very tight to your neck, and a turtleneck is, it still has a fold over, but it's sort of quite wide. That might not be the technical way to define it, but hey, that's how I see it. So yeah, I just got this grey, the grey version. Actually, I don't think it is the grey version of the beige jumper, because the beige jumper was a lot longer. So this is just its own jumper. But I like the style, and I thought this would be really nice for layering under a blazer, putting under a leather jacket if I want to just be warm and snug. and yeah, just a winter staple in a colour that I know I'm going to use loads. So I love greys and darker colours because they're easier to wash, so maintenance is perfect. I got this in a size small and it was $29.99, and it has these like really cool slits down the side, so you could even put like a white shirt, maybe I'd put that white shirt like underneath it and just have it hanging out, you know, like a layering type effect. So this already is an outfit in itself. And what's going to top it off is these leather pants. I like them so much, I tried them on in both trips. What you won't have seen actually is the fact that I picked up the trousers in a size small first. I am not a size small in trousers by any shape of the imagination, so I don't know what I was thinking when I did that. But what you'll probably have seen is me strategically wearing really long jumpers when I was styling them up, so that you wouldn't see that they weren't zipped all the way up. So yeah, when I went back the second time round, I picked these up I found a medium, and I was like, I've got to get these. So probably I don't know if you will have been able to see them that well in the video, but they are so well fitted and they have this lovely zip detail at the bottom. You can keep the zip closed if you don't want it open, but I love it open, particularly with high ankle boots or strappy sandals. So you can make this a really cute night out look if you rock it with strappy sandals. I just love the seam. I love that the zip's on the side so it doesn't kind of, you know, bunch up here in the middle, which I tend to get with my trousers. And it's got yeah, lovely stitching, and it's completely plain on the back. So yeah, really love these, and we'll probably get a lot of use out of them. They are $19.99, so bargain. So I think all in all that was £20. Oh no, these were, that's 30, 60, 80 pounds. So not a bad shout. I know I'm going to be able to wear those bits with a lot of what is already in my wardrobe, and it was a really good shopping experience for me. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the vlog style of shopping with me type footage that I captured. If you are not subscribed already, please do. And if you are new here, my name's Nadreen. I upload one video every week, normally on a Sunday. So do come back next week because there'll be something new for you guys here. Guys, if you are not following me on Depop, please do, because I will be putting some of the items that I've hauled in previous videos on there, and they are up for sale, so do come along. There's some high street stuff, there is some designer stuff, there is accessories, bags, tech, all sorts. So do come along and check out what I've got there. It's just at Nadreen on Depop. I am going to film after this a life update, career update type video, and give you guys a bit of an insight into what I've been getting up to at work and what I've been doing around my home and just my general 2020 philosophy. So I will see you guys for that video. Possibly will be next week. Bye.